Hey everyone, today I am at the World's End State Park and going to do a little hike with some friends. You might recognize Tony and Debbie, and we are going to do the Double Run Nature Trail, which I believe is a 1.3 mile loop.
Here's a rattlesnake. I'm gonna throw it at somebody.
And you know me, I like loops. Oh, so this is the chapel?
No.
No, I know, but what is this?
I think like to give like nature talks and stuff.
Oh, Tony, you should get up there and give us a nature talk.
I should. Hey, here we are outside.
I would assume so. And if this brochure is correct, we're going to see a waterfall. This really is a beautiful spot. So I was at this state park probably about 6 years ago. It was kind of before I was into hiking, so I'm not really sure what trail I took. So this is kind of new to me, and I know there's a lot of trails to explore. This one, I believe, is a 1.3 mile loop. I didn't want to do too much because my friend Debbie had surgery about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, so she's just kind of getting back into it. So I didn't want to pick a trail that was too strenuous. But I was talking to one of the park rangers at the office, and he said this is a beautiful trail. So I guess we're gonna find out. How you making out, Deb? This is nice, huh?
Yeah.
I was saying in the summertime I would love to sit right down there. It would be like a nature's jacuzzi, right?
Nice.
Look at that.
It'd be a
Jacuzzi and an ice bath, Tony said. Do you think this water's really cold in the summertime too? This is a beautiful spot. Just really cool rock formations, how they're all layered like this.
Look how clean the water is.
Oh my God, yeah, right? All right, this is back to the trail right here.
They call it Rocksylvania.
That they do.
Yeah, we go up here. Yep.
You sure?
Yeah, because I just saw a green one up there.
Up here? Okay.
Yeah, that first one.
So for a brief moment, we actually went off trail and we were on the Loyal Sock Trail. So the Loyal Sock Trail is a 60-mile trail. So we figured it out pretty quickly, thank God, because I don't think any of us were up for a 60-mile hike today. Try to get down here to get a better view. Nice moss-covered rock. Huh?
You have to climb over that log to get to the trail itself.
All right, so Tony's telling me I have to climb over that log. I will if you do. So we got another cool little waterfall down there.
Cool how the log up that rock to make it seem like it's not like a gravel base to the rock.
Yep. Tony was just talking about how the water makes this little channel. Well, this is kind of cool, this little rock shelter.
Whoa, I said that's slippery, be careful.
Sheesh. I almost slipped. You know, I'm used to these really crazy rocky trails, so I'm taking this too easy, but it's slippery. These rocks are slippery. I could see how this would be amazingly refreshing in like July or August. I'm guessing the water's pretty clean here too. So these rocks are really slippery. Now we are not actually on the trail, but how can you resist getting closer to this water, right? This is the trail here, Tony?
Yeah.
Coming up to another waterfall. Not sure you can see, but Tony and Debbie are just sitting there checking it out. I think I'm gonna go down here first, pull out my camera, snap a couple photos. How cool is this? It's pretty amazing, right? It's beautiful. If it were summertime, I would jump in. Oh, wow, Tone, look at this.
Another fall.
Now I believe we are approaching the difficult part. We look like we have a whole lot of steps going straight up, so it should be fun. It's always nice to combine a little nature with a workout, I suppose. But I think I might have said this in another video. I don't mind climbing up mountains. You know, switchbacks are better, but for whatever reason, I'm not really into the whole steps. I mean, you would think they're put in here to make it easier, but for whatever reason, I don't know. I feel like it's a little more difficult doing all these steps. Now we are doing some serious climbing. The good news is when we get to the top, it's going to be all downhill, I'm thinking. Right, Tony?
I would certainly think so.
I hope so.
Oh, I think so.
So I'm really hoping it levels off now because we're pretty high. This is a little more challenging than I thought it would be. I believe all the trails here are challenging. Initially, I was going to do the Vista loop, but we decided against it because it's 4 miles. And I think I mentioned earlier, Debbie had a surgery recently. So this is 1.3 miles, but it's definitely, it's got some climbing. So if you're looking for an easy trail, this is not it. Now the trail widens here, so I'm thinking we're gonna go up another blaze. And you might, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, it looks like it goes back down. So hopefully we are headed back down. We've gone close to a mile, and it's supposed to be a 1.3 mile loop, and we parked at the bottom. So what goes up must come down. So I would think it's gonna be all downhill real soon. So for about the last 15-20 minutes, we've been coming downhill. No, I see green blazes right down there.
This is where we...
Yes, you turn down. You go down.
Where we cut across the creek and then we went to the... Yeah. Up.
So I felt great this whole hike, and I was fine with actually going uphill.
Oh my God.
But downhill...
Yeah, see,
because I was out running earlier this morning as well, my knee's hurting me. And when you're having a knee pain, downhill is the worst. So there's my complaint of the day. All right, we are coming up to where we parked. So I'm gonna end my video here. This was the Double Run Nature Trail in World's End State Park. And it was a lot more challenging than I thought. I mean, it was only 1.3 miles, and it was a loop, which is awesome, but there was a lot of uphill, which really didn't hurt me so much, but the downhill got me because my knees started getting sore. Old running injury. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. If you could, please give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and hope everybody has a great weekend. Take care, everybody.